We believe that getting certified should be a byproduct of any learning exercise. It is more important to learn the right things before getting certified. This is the principle on which the certification process for all courses on DDLP are based. To successfully complete the foundation course in digital marketing, you will have to complete the following activities. You have to first and foremost go through the video lectures and attempt the quiz questions. The quiz questions are important for overall evaluation. You then need to go through the extra reading material for each chapter and understand the concepts in depth through the carefully chosen articles. Once done with videos, quiz and the reading material, you need to submit the assignments as per the DDLP guidelines. Finally, you have to attempt the online proctored exams as per the DDLP guidelines. Once you have completed these activities successfully, you will be issued a certificate for the foundation course in digital marketing. This certificate is blockchained and hence tamper-proof. The blockchain certificate is part of the digital assurance promised by Digital Dojo. The digitally assured blockchain certificate can be shared with prospective employers, recruiting agencies, partners, vendors, anyone who would like to know your skill level in digital marketing. They will be able to verify your digital marketing skills on our digital platform. We are always willing and happy to vouch for the skills of our DDLP users. And to top it, we would just like to remind you that once enrolled, you have a lifetime access to this foundation course in digital marketing. It means that even after you complete your certification, you are always welcome to come back and go through the course content at your own will. As digital marketing evolves, we always make periodic changes to our courses. Lifetime access means that you will never have to pay again to access the modified content whenever it is released. This is our promise and digital assurance.